If your feet are hurting, try cupping, and this might help reduce some of the symptoms you're having, like plantar fasciitis. These are silicone cups. You can get them anywhere like Amazon or anything. Just apply 2 underneath the foot. Put one up on the gastroc or calf area, and this kind of affects the entire line there. From here, just going to do like a simple, call it massaging technique, where you just glide up the foot and arch and around. And it's pretty gentle, but feels good. So it doesn't take a lot of effort. Just compress the silicone disc, and essentially you got to put lotion underneath so it will glide. Sometimes it pops off like that, but just adhere it. Sometimes you can leave it there for maybe 30 seconds also, and this helps. But the massaging technique really seems to draw some blood supply in there and deal with the fascial restrictions. Tough to do on your own, but have somebody do it for you. This is you have the ability to cross your leg and do maybe the bottom of your foot, just more difficult to move around the calf. So give it a try. And you can, like I said, get these on Amazon or anywhere on the internet. Just do a search for silicone cupping massage tools.